करते हैं मुझको सब प्यार ही तो है मेरा परिवार।
सूरज केयर।
Today's essay writing topic is the Ganesh Puja in your school. 10 sentences for primary students. Let's start. Sri Ganesh is the god of learning.
The Ganesh Puja is observed in our school in September every year. On the day of Puja, we decorate our school. We put on new dress. We collect different kinds of flowers. We bring the statue of Sri Ganesh. The Brahmin performs the puja. We offer flowers to Sri Ganesh. After puja, we enjoy a feast. We immerse the statue in a river or a tank.
Paragraph sentences for junior and senior students. The Ganesh Puja in your school. Introduction. Sri Ganesh is the god of learning. He is a Hindu god, so the Hindu student worship him. The Ganesh Puja falls in the month of September. We observe the Ganesh Puja in our school every year. Arrangement. We give subscription for the puja. We buy an image of Sri Ganesh. We place it in puja hall.
Decoration. We decorate the school gate. We decorate puja hall. We decorate them with colored paper and mango leaves. We decorate the image with flowers. Worship. The Brahmin performs the puja. We offer flowers to Sri Ganesh. We also offer different fruits and sesame laddus to Sri Ganesh. We pray Sri Ganesh to give us wisdom and knowledge.
Feast. After puja, we enjoy a feast. Some gentlemen, the teachers and volunteers also eat the feast. We spend this day merrily.
Immersion. The next day, we immerse the statue in a river or a tank. Conclusion. Ganesh Puja is a holy festival. We observe it with much care.
This much today.